All right, all right. Oh, we are live. So, welcome everyone. This is my second video on YouTube. So, we're just going to go over some backtesting in Q futures. Yeah, I'm sick right now, so I'm not gonna be talking that much, I think, but we'll see. So, I've made this journal for whole of January, from February, and for March. So shout out to Tom Trades who made this journal, and then I've made a bit of a change to it. But yeah, this gets me going when I go into a new trade, and yeah, I like just having data on what I'm doing, and it gives me a lot of clarity. So let's go, let's go. No. So 1 hour, 4 hour. All right, we've been trading lower. Now we're starting to see this form of reversal, right? After filling this void. So these will be my targets. Got no news. So Monday. So let's see. You can see Asia and London just expanded. So let's see what the market does. One is longs here, so potentially going up, generating liquidity, going down, and then catching the inverse. All right. Or just fucking rally. Let's see. So we trade down into this. This could be a continuation model. What a life. Alright, so 10 a.m. here. Oh. So what happens here? We have the 15-minute SMT, bullish order block, right? Very bullish. Like every retracement we get, this could be some kind of long confirmation, right? So what I'm looking at here is this manipulation leg. I want to take the highest inversion out of this, so this would be here. Then I go down to a lower time frame. See what needs to get respected for me to not want to be in this long anymore. This family gap right here is my primary thing. Now this is a 1-to-1 basically. I could take this. I could take this too. So I think I'm just going to put my buy here. Then if ES takes it the high, then I will go break even. Alright. Maybe it's pretty early to go break even, perhaps. Alright. Alright. So we get stopped out here. 11 a.m. We could see price going up now. We do, actually. No, we don't. Alright. So I should have taken maybe some profit here at 1-to-1. I didn't. That's how it is. No problem. What a life. Do, 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 do. Ten. Benton. Ah. Wow. This sickness is killing me slowly. It's fucking brutal. Alright, so this is continuation model. Type 2A. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? Oh, there we go. There. So what happened? I don't know if that's how you write it. I think it is extremely bullish. So the reason I don't take profit here is that I'm trading with the trend, right? This is of course very bullish, and in very bullish conditions, and I'm taking continuations, I want to hold. Let's say that I'm bearish and I'm taking some kind of, or I'm bullish, but I'm taking a bearish trade into some kind of bullish PD array that needs to push price higher, then I will take profits early. But here, I like the idea of holding until I'm proven wrong, right? So this is a low time frame continuation. The market is very trending. Or yeah, some kind of counter trend now. And I wanted trending markets. My entry was market, and my entry time frame was 5 minute. So overall very bullish. And we go break even. Long position. It was a Monday. It is March. And the time for my trade is 10:10. 5 minute IFG. Displacement, yes, indeed. Now, do we have a lower time frame SMT? This is something I've been thinking a lot about, if I should take this very much into consideration. And as you can see, we do have SMT right here, low time frame. So this here and this here. So yes, and high time frame, yes, 15-minute SMT. March 18 ref, setup 1 emotions, they're great. Process was all good. March. Stuck to my plan. Holding when trading with trend. Got stopped at B. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm pretty happy with this loss actually. So as you can see now, we are displacing lower. So this validates a lot of the buy model that I've been thinking about. So right now we are delivering from bearish arrays and disrespecting bullish arrays, right? Previous busy, getting used as support to go higher, now displaced lower, right? We want to see this hold. We do not have some kind of higher time frame SMT here. We have one here. IO fit. Alright, let's see what price does here. So we trade lower. Oh yeah. Extremely bearish here. This could be. I know that we have this bearish SMT. I get it. This is not something I'm afraid of. So this should hold if we want to see lower prices. Alright, so I like this setup here. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity right here. We traded up into this 15-minute gap. We're holding equilibrium. We are displacing out of this 15-minute. And we invest this manipulation leg up while respecting bearish gaps. So this will be my trade because I do want to see lower prices. We're respecting this gap too. Notice how it goes up into C of this gap, holding this array too, right? Maybe it's a bit early, who knows? We have the 10 a.m. open high, low close, so yeah, let's see. Alright, so we get stopped out here. Pretty valid trade, I would say. Maybe we needed this high time frame SMT. Let's see what price wants to do. So we trade now into this 15-minute. We have the SMT. Do we see some sort of continuation lower here? I'm ready. This is a bit out of the macro. I like this setup though. Oh, we already invested. Right, so alright, this is very ranging. I shouldn't be taking this actually. And it's outside of my window. Let's see how it plays out. God bless, we didn't take it. Alright. We journal, we move. Oh Lord. So 10, 12. Disrespecting bullish gaps, respecting bearish gaps. Have SMT for the continuation. Maybe need to wait for it. So again, this is type 2A, and we take a low time frame continuation. The market was ranging, unfortunately. Couldn't really find out what the fuck was going on. It is what it is. Into time frame, it was 1 minute. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. So 500 loss. So at the end of this month, I have 1 month, I have January, and I have February. So I have 3 months of data on these exact entry models, what I do, when I do it, and then I can use, be that guy who uses ChatGPT or something to give me a bit more edge in the market, right? So that's really what I'm aiming for. That's why I'm doing this. So the displacement was pretty small here. I can feel it coming in the air. So there is no low time frame SMT. We have this SMT. And we do have a higher time frame SMT, but it's not valid because we also have this 4-hour SMT, right? But we do have it. So one setup, emotions, pretty good. The process I think was great today actually. It wasn't. That's a lie. So the logic behind what I just wrote here is that when we make this half time frame SMT on NQ, right here, high, right, and lower high. When ES makes the lower high, then of course I want to see ES make the lower low too, right? Because it's not up here, it's down here. So when NQ makes it as well, not that good. And then we rally. All right. So this is just pure, pattern recognition, right? So do 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 do. Right. So bullish. We have FOMC for fuck's sake. Let's see how price plays out. This is my draw. And ES took out this draw. Oh, 1 hour. Could potentially see a very nice London SMT here. Notice how far away NQ is. So maybe something like this could be very nice. But let's see. Okay. So this I'm not going to trade, of course. What the fuck is this? Alright, we start to see something. But it's really nothing I can use. Alright. I think it's better not to trade here. You could do something like this. Yeah, exactly. This SMT could send us lower. And as you saw, we already took out this high on ES. Right? As you can see, we didn't on NQ. So this right here, not a good setup at all. This is the setup though. Now it's very, very easy for me to say that I could have shorted this 1 minute up here. I probably wouldn't. So for me to get some kind of already into here, I wouldn't see this get respected. Yeah. So I want to see retrace into here to then expand lower. So this is what I want to see. We have this 10 a.m. We open higher, and then now we inverse. We take out this. We have a bearish SMT. London lows looking very nice down here. Oh. You could hold to, yeah, I would hold this. This liquidity right here, we're just going to smash through this, I think. Well, that was brutal. Okay, so this is just one big chop. Pure shit price action on FOMC day. I think we have our answer here. Not trading um, on FOMC minutes. This is, what the fuck is this? Alright, now we know better. No problem. So 11 a.m. No, I don't know. Here, 11:03. FMC minutes, not tradable, which is why I should have stayed away. Very choppy. And type C. I don't know. This is just ranging as fuck. So I'm trying to take lower time frame continuation, right? Fucking ranging. I wanted trending. It was a limit under 5 minute. Bullish for the day. So 2 losing streak, not very good. Could have avoided this loss. Indeed. Indeed, indeed. Oh. Five-minute inverse. Displacement was actually pretty nice. And now to the funny part, lower time frame SMT. Come on. Fuck is this? This here. So there is a low time frame SMT. Yes. High time frame SMT. Yes. Minus 20 ref. One setup. Motions. Fine. Process subpar. FOMC. Minutes. Choppy markets. Not tradable. Wait potentially for later in the day or day off. Nice. So pretty shit week so far. Break even and 2 losses. It's not that good, but it's a part of it. You know, last week was a very nice week, up around like the last 2 weeks, around 4k, 8%. So can't really be mad. So all-time high conditions. All right, all right. Let's see what happens. London makes the low of day potentially, stabilizing midnight open, projecting higher. We have PMI, it's nice. It's Thursday, which typically likes to rebalance inward. So this has already been repriced. So maybe it's not going completely down there, but let's see. You never know. Alright, we will already have some pretty nice BA here. This one. SMT. SMT. Yep. So what is this? Low time frame market maker buy model. We have a candle SMT. Right, 3 minute. Nice. Very nice longs. Before PMI. Usually 9:45 PMI is not that volatile. So that's why I can take a trade within it happening. I could potentially hold this to maybe 700 instead of just here. This needs to complete another cycle too, if you talk about cycle of round numbers. So it could potentially go here. Or it could reverse. Nice. Well, we got our piece of the pie. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So 9:36. There we go. So this is type 2A. Low time frame continuation. What is the market? It's trending. What did I want? Trending. It was a market order on the 1 minute time frame. General very bullish. 157. And then I can see it's 762 win. Long. Um, 1 minute displacement, absolutely. Low time frame, yes sir. High time frame, yes sir. March with one ref. Setup, one motions. Good. Very, very nice process here. Autumn high conditions. 15-minute SMT. Clear displacement. Respecting 15-minute OB. Again SMT. Very nice. So far this week, if I hadn't taken the FOMC trade, I would have actually been up. So that's something to note. Let's see if it just rallies. Alright, it's not that bad. Alright. So we have this SMT here. Alright. I'm seeing some kind of high time frame buy, but fucking hell, Powell. We did get this to send us higher, potentially. Let's see what price does. So very ranging. Begin to display slower. There we go. Something to note. Right. So I could go in here. I don't want to see it go further down than this value gap. This would be my break even. Then what do I want to see, man? I think this is pretty nice place because we did this place lower. We did come up into this 1 hour fair value gap, right? For me, this is just making sense going up here. So this is my break-even point. Nice, beautiful. Do we see more rally? Well, we can see in a minute or two. So what happens here? 5-minute change in state, right? 5-minute inverse. We have our break-even point here, the top of the manipulation leg. Oh. We are delivering from this. Delivering from this. We have this 15-minute breaker, right? We have this SMT here. 2 centers higher. So we have a SMT, reacting off of a high time frame bullish array. There we go. Nine, 5, 9. The fuck just happened here? There we go. Type 1B, I think this is. Type 1B. And this is a lower time frame reversal. This high time frame reversal. And then continuation of that reversal, right? So the market, well, it was counter trending. What did I want? A counter trend. I went in on a limit on the 5 minute. General, we were bearish general, right? Oh no, we were not. We were bullish. No, we were not. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I don't really know. Ranging, can we say that? Okay, this could actually be something you could hold. Oh no! How beautiful. How beautiful. What a TP, man. What a TP. This is beautiful work. Okay, we did actually displace higher. Wow. This is beautiful. 1.6. That must be like 780 then. I think. So when we longed, and it was a Friday, and it is March, and I went in at 959. 5 minute displacement. Indeed, very nice displacement. Did we have a low time frame SMT down here? We did. Here. That was nice. So yes, and then before continuation, yes. So emotions going into this, great actually, very nice. All right. So ending the week in 500 to green.